This is the PanoX V2 360 cam, a new contender in the 360 space with a few cool new features like a big half-inch CMOS sensor in here, 72 megapixels image resolution and an 8K video mode. So is this camera as good as it sounds? Let's find out. Got the new drip from PanoX, their all-new V2 360 cam. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list a link, the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So here we go. Let's get the small ones out of the way first. So front, this side and this side is blank, and on the other side also the branding, and on the back we have the small print and the specs. Let's open it up, and in here we of course have the lens cap. Then we have the selfie stick. We just have the sticker on here. Other than that, it's just blank. And in here we have the, or should I rather say, we have the invisible selfie stick with the thread on top. Oh, cool locking mechanism. We'll get to that in a second. And here we have the 360 cam, a few pictures on the side, small print right there on the back. Here on the other side we have all the features, brand logo on the bottom and 360 on top. So let's remove the wrap, and just like that, wrap is gone. Let's open it up. 12K says it right here. Boom, padding on top, and there we go. So carefully, and on the bottom we also have the box with the accessories, and there's more paperwork. So let's get straight to it. Accessories and manual, of course. So let's start with the small box, and in here we have first of all the quality certificate. Then we will also get a nice cloth for wiping the lenses. Then we will get the limited warranty and safety instructions, and lastly we have the multi-language user manual. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Then we also have the bigger box, and in here, first of all, we have the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C in black, and we also have the pouch for the camera, and we can, slide it in right there. And then we also have the lens cap, and here we have the selfie stick, and it's a pretty cool locking mechanism, as I said. We also have a thread on the bottom, inner thread of course, and after unlocking we can just pull it out like so. Unlocked, it's kind of wobbly, but we can also lock it in the elongated state, and then it's super stiff. That's really cool. Unlocked and locked. That is amazing. Pretty cool. So to recap, we have the lens cap, the stick, cable, paperwork, the pouch, and of course the camera. So let's get to it. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions, and then of course to a close overview. So here we have it. First of all, we have this on the lens and this on the screen. Beautiful big screen. And on the other side, we also have a lens protector. So there we go. Looking pretty cool. That's on the bottom. And alright, yeah, let's take a close look. So this would be the front side of the camera with the first lens, microphone and the branding. Otherwise, this is just a nice satin black plate right there with the smooth touch. Then on the other side, we have the screen, which is quite large, another microphone and the second lens, of course. Then right here, we have the slot for the memory card and the USB-C port. And on the other side, we also have the on-off button. So let's just turn it on and let's see. And there we go. This is how it will react to the polarizer. Seems like it's not affected whatsoever. That's pretty cool. And we have Android running on this, powered by Android. Starting up, status LED light right there. And once again, it's not affected by the polarizer at all. It's pretty cool. So English is fine. Oh well, I'm currently moving, so I don't have Wi-Fi in this flat anymore. Let's turn it off again. Shut down. That's a cool operating system. So let's put it into the pouch and then move places. Just like that. Not bad, right? So let's set it up, check out the app, and then of course test it. Alright, there we go. Let's continue. So back to the start, I guess. Powered by Android, so cool. So English once again, and now the Wi-Fi. And it can also do the 5G. Very, very nice. Perfect. Next, activate. All right, and for this, I think we need the app. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Now we need the app. All right, next. And let's do the firmware upgrade, of course. And meanwhile, let's get this app. So the publisher is Lab Pano. There we go. And there are 3 apps and we need the PanoX app. Let's open it up and let's agree. I have a camera and give it all the permissions, of course. Now, of course, we need to wait for the firmware update to finish. So let's check out the app. We have the Discovery tab right here. Wow, this is looking really cool. Then we also have the album tab. Of course, we don't have anything in there yet. We have the camera tab, the product tab, lens master, on the go photographer. Yes, sir. And we also have the me tab right here, the personal center, where we can pick the language and current version, stuff like that. All right, so I will see in a bit when the upgrade has finished. That's a large update right there, so no wonder that it will take a few minutes. Okay, oh, that was the download, install. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it might be a good idea to plug it in for charging. And right here I also have the SD card ready to go. Actually, let's plug it in right now, why not? Oh my god, it has actually recognized it. During the update, that is something else right there, wow. But apparently it's fine. I think the firmware will be stored on the camera itself anyways. Oh yeah, let's just wait. Yes, there we go. Alright, so thankfully my SD card experiment didn't do any harm. Starting back up, and there we go. So we have the quick app launcher right there. All right, here we can enable and disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location, also screen brightness. Oh yeah, that's way better for filming. Yeah, it's just like Android. It's really cool. We have the settings right there. It's the gesture control as well. It's really cool. An Android 360 camera. And let's see the firmware. Check update, latest version. Perfect. And we even have the about segment. We have the card right there. Perfect, and that's me right there. Hello. I'm currently in the photo mode, and down here we can switch to interval and to street view. Whoa, to street view. And here we can go to the video and also to a live stream. Screen 360 live, and video we have the vlog 360 video, flat video, time-lapse and street view. Really cool. Okay, so we're indoors, so we have a poor GPS signal. All right, so we can turn that off, and just like that we can record a video. 360 video, just like that. And let's check the settings once more. So storage divide, 30 minutes, that's better. Fixed view, all right. Codec, and there we have it. Oh, we can also go for 8K, but only with 10 frames per second. That's cool. Cool option right there. And video countdown. All right. So this covers the settings on the camera. Let's connect it to the app. Let's agree. Easy as that. Enter camera. So here we can also swipe around, check out the live feed. It's really cool. We can start the live stream, and here we can easily switch between the modes as well. Standard flat video. So that's like the action camera mode right there. Time lapse and so on. Nice. And inside of the app, we can also easily control and check out all the settings. We even have AI tracking. That's really cool. But enough said. Let's actually go outside and let's take a few videos. So let's mount the selfie stick. Just screw it in. And there we go. And as we know it from all Android devices, let's turn up the brightness all the way. We can just lock the screen, just like that. And there we go. What a beautiful day it is. Let's hope for a bit of sun, then it would be perfect. Let's extend it all the way, lock it up with the twist. And now it's super sturdy. Wow, it is actually really sturdy. Vlog mode in 3, 2, 1, go. Before I can show you the videos, I of course need to export them. So first of all, we need to download them from the camera to the phone, just like that. And then we have the gallery. And here we can basically edit the videos, we can cut them, and we can also set the keyframes. And after that, we just need to export it, just like so. And this will be the same for all the other videos, so let's check it out. With the sun in the back, look at that quality. That is looking so nice now. Love it. Ah, okay. Oh, it's looking amazing actually, wow. So we have the position fully locked. Let's go back. Okay. Then we have the regular 360 video. Let's do it. So, first of all, we of course have the invisible selfie stick. And the sun is not coming out, sadly. So it's a cloudy day, and usually 360 cams will work best when it's super sunny. But as you can see, the quality is pretty dope nevertheless. And once again, with the 360 video, walking around. Gotta love 360 videos. It's so nice. Then we also have the flat video. And again, it's like the GoPro mode right there. So let's grab a video. Or it's like the single lens mode right there. And That's what it looks like. So wherever you will tilt the camera, this is where it will film. But as you can see, it has the horizon locked. So when we go like this on the camera, the horizon is still leveled. Oh, sun, fast. Video, 360 video, power. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful, the sun is there. The sun just came out, beautiful. That is great. So now we can see the full quality. Is it any different now? Probably. Like that, like that, like that, and like that. Let's also do this. Oh, and look at that. Beautiful. Sun is on full blast now. It's looking great. And just like that, the sun is gone again. But as you saw, great image quality, great video quality. Definitely a big thumbs up from my side. This thing is pretty dope. And another thing that the camera can do very well is taking 360 photos. So we have them right here. So let's check it out. Most of them are just test pictures. So up here we can switch the ratio. That's best for the phone, of course. And of course we can move it around and also export it even in 4K resolution. But check this out. We can zoom in quite a lot. So the 12K photo mode is looking amazing. Check this out. Great level of detail right there. And we can see all the way around. Perfect stitching. It's amazing. Look at that. And the best picture that I've taken would be this one right here. Look at that. That is so cool. And the best thing is that you don't have a fixed angle, but you can look around, you can look up, you can look down and see what's around. And maybe you can find a little secret in the picture. But anyways, look at that. Great picture quality as well as video quality. And I love zooming out. I love this tiny planet look. That is so funny. Let's try that on the other one. And this is also super fast actually. So as you can see, we can do the barrel mode like that. And when we go into the other direction all the way, we have the tiny planet and that is looking so cool. Goes without saying that I love 360 videos, I love 360 cameras, the space is amazing and all sorts of developments are highly appreciated. The PanoX V2 in the best use case in my opinion is a 5.7K 360 camera, which is the bleeding edge of today's 360 cameras. So big thumbs up on this front. It is not waterproof, so take care, but other than that it performed really well. Great image quality, thanks of course to the large half-inch CMOS sensor in here. Nice selection of different picture and video modes, and the app is great too. Great hardware and great build quality. The screen is gorgeous and I absolutely love the Android-based operating system. It is Android 10 by the way. Oh, and also the street view mode. Really interesting, really unique, and I can't wait what PanoX will come up in the future because the V2 is already definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy day and I will see you soon.